15 survival inventions that are insanely cool on Amazon. Alright, so picture this. The power goes out, your phone is dying, the water from the tap looks questionable, and you have absolutely zero plan. Most people, they panic. But not the guy who spent 2 hours going down an Amazon rabbit hole at 1 a.m. buying survival gear. That person? That person is eating warm food, drinking clean water, and texting on a charged phone. That person is winning. Today we are talking about 15 survival inventions on Amazon that are not just cool to look at, but actually work in real situations. These are tools that hikers, preppers, military veterans, and regular everyday people swear by. We are going in deep, giving you the real specs, the real facts, and the YouTube videos that prove these things actually do what they claim. Let's get into it. Number 15, LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. This one is legendary, and it earned that title. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter is a hollow fiber membrane straw that filters water straight from rivers, puddles, lakes, or streams and turns it into safe drinking water on the spot. No chemicals, no batteries, no moving parts. You just stick it in dirty water and drink. Here are the numbers that matter. The LifeStraw removes 99.999999% of waterborne bacteria, including E. coli and Salmonella. It removes 99.999% of waterborne parasites like Giardia and Cryptosporidium. The thing weighs 2 ounces. 2 ounces. It won Time Magazine's Invention of the Year, and it has been used by backpackers, disaster relief agencies, and military personnel across the world. Each filter lasts up to 1,000 gallons of water, which for the average person is more than they drink in a year. For around $20, this might genuinely be the most life-saving $20 you will ever spend. Number 14, BioLite CampStove 2+. This is the one that genuinely blows people's minds when they see it working. The BioLite CampStove 2+ is a wood-burning camp stove that converts heat from fire directly into electricity through a thermoelectric generator built right into the unit. You feed it twigs, sticks, pine cones, basically anything combustible you find on the ground, and it cooks your food while charging your phone through a USB port. The stove runs on 100% renewable biomass, meaning you never need to carry fuel canisters. It has an integrated 2,600 mAh battery that stores generated electricity so you can charge devices even after the fire is out. The LED dashboard shows you real-time data about fire strength, fan speed, and battery level. It reduces smoke by 90% compared to open fires. The USB output can charge smartphones, GPS units, headlamps, and basically anything that charges via USB. For anyone worried about grid failures, blackouts, or wilderness emergencies, this stove is in a category of its own. Number 13, Leatherman Wave plus multi-tool. Let us get one thing straight. Not all multi-tools are created equal. Most of the cheap knockoffs break the first time you actually need them. The Leatherman Wave Plus is not that. This is the standard by which all other multi-tools are measured. It has 18 tools packed into a stainless steel body that weighs only 8.5 ounces. What separates the Wave Plus from everything else is the outside accessible blades. You can open the saw, the file, and both the straight and serrated knife blades with one hand without unfolding the tool. That matters enormously in an emergency. The included tools cover needle nose pliers, regular pliers, a wire cutter, a hard wire cutter, a can opener, a bottle opener, a saw, a file, multiple screwdrivers, and more. CNN called it the best overall multi-tool for emergency preparedness. At around $130, this is a tool you buy once and then your kids inherit it. Number 12, Garmin inReach Mini 2. This one is for the people who go seriously off the grid. The Garmin inReach Mini 2 is a satellite communicator that uses the Iridium satellite network, which provides truly global coverage, including oceans, polar regions, and every remote wilderness on the planet. There are zero dead zones. Wherever you are, this thing works. The device lets you send and receive text messages from anywhere, even without cell service. It has two-way messaging, real-time GPS tracking, and a dedicated SOS button that connects you directly to a 24/7 emergency response coordination center. It weighs 100 grams and is about the size of a credit card folded in half. The battery lasts up to 14 days on tracking mode. For solo hikers, sailors, mountaineers, or anyone heading somewhere cell towers do not exist, this small device is the difference between a rescue and a tragedy. Number 11, Survivor Filter Pro X. The LifeStraw is brilliant for individual drinking, but what if you need to filter water for a group or fill up container? The Survivor Filter Pro X is a compact electric water purifier that filters up to 99.999% of harmful contaminant from any fresh water. It runs on USB power or AA batteries, making it incredibly versatile in off-grid situations. What makes this thing stand out is the speed. Traditional squeeze filters and gravity filters take time. This unit is fast enough to be practical when you are moving quickly in an emergency situation. It is small enough to drop in a go bag and reliable enough that the company markets it to both backcountry campers and disaster prepared preparedness organizations. In a world where waterborne illness kills more people than most natural disasters, having fast, reliable filtration is not optional. Number 10. Paracord Survival Bracelet. Here is the beauty of the Paracord bracelet. You wear it every single day and forget it is even there, until the moment you actually need it. Then you unravel it, and suddenly you have 10 to 12 feet of 550-pound rated military-grade parachute cord in your hands. The name 550 Paracord comes directly from its breaking strength of 550 pounds. The better versions of these bracelets are genuinely 6-in-1 tools. You get the Paracord itself, a fire starter rod, a compass, an emergency whistle rated at up to 110 decibels, a scraper for striking sparks, and an SOS LED flashlight. The inner strands of the Paracord can be separated into individual threads that work as fishing line, fire tinder, or suture material in a pinch. These bracelets have been standard gear for military personnel and survivalists for decades. The fact that you can get a solid one for under $20 on Amazon with verified ratings in the tens of thousands is wild. Number 9. Hand crank emergency weather radio. Imagine a hurricane hits, the power is out, your phone is dead, and you have no idea if it is safe to leave your house. That is exactly the scenario this device exists for. The NOAA hand crank emergency weather radio is one of those inventions that looks almost too simple, but becomes absolutely essential the moment things go wrong. The best models on Amazon come with a built-in 10,000 mAh battery, 5 different charging methods, including solar, hand crank, USB-C, AC power, and AA batteries, and direct NOAA weather alert broadcasts covering tornadoes, hurricanes, floods, and other emergencies. They include a built-in LED flashlight, a 116 decibel SOS alarm, and USB ports to charge your phone. The hand crank can generate emergency power even with zero sun and a dead battery. FEMA recommends every household keep one of these. It costs around $30 to $50 on Amazon and could quite literally save your family during a natural disaster. Number 8. Mylar Emergency Blanket. This one was literally invented by NASA. The Mylar Emergency Blanket, also called a space blanket, was developed in 1964 for the US space program and uses aluminized polyester film to reflect up to 90% of body heat back toward the person wrapped in it. That reflection is what makes it so powerful in survival situations. In hypothermia prevention, heat loss is the enemy, and a Mylar blanket stops it almost completely. They weigh almost nothing, fold down to the size of a deck of cards, and cost less than $2 each on Amazon when bought in packs. But the uses go beyond just wrapping around yourself. You can use them as ground insulation, as a solar still for collecting water, as a fire reflector to direct heat toward your shelter, and as a signaling mirror because the reflective surface is visible from aircraft. Marathon runners use them. Mountain rescue teams carry them. They belong in every emergency kit, every car, and every hiking pack. Number 7. HX Outdoors Mercenary Tomahawk. A tomahawk is one of those tools that people either completely overlook or absolutely swear by. The HX Outdoors Mercenary Tomahawk falls into a category of survival multi-tools that combines an axe blade, a hammerhead, and a pry bar into a single weapon and tool. It is made from 440 stainless steel with a titanium nitride coating that adds corrosion resistance and hardness. In a real survival situation, the tasks this covers are enormous. Chopping wood for shelter and fire, hammering stakes for a tent or lean-to, prying open doors, windows, or stuck lids, self-defense if necessary, digging in soft ground. The design is also tactical, meaning the balance point allows for throwing accuracy if that is your thing. This is a tool that has been adopted by both hardcore outdoor survivalists and preppers who think seriously about post-disaster scenarios. It is not a toy, it is a proper piece of kit. Number 6. Sawyer Squeeze Water Filter. We talked about LifeStraw, but here is the thing. The Sawyer Squeeze water filter absolutely dominates it in terms of raw capacity. While the LifeStraw handles about 1,000 gallons per filter before it needs replacing, the Sawyer Squeeze is rated to 100,000 gallons. That is not a typo. 100,000 gallons from a single filter that you can backflush to clean and keep using indefinitely. The Sawyer Squeeze weighs 3 ounces and removes 99.9999% of all bacteria and 99.9999% of all protozoa. It can attach directly to a standard water bottle, squeeze pouch, or hydration bladder. You can use it inline with a hydration pack hose. You can drink directly through it like a straw. You can filter water into a container for a group. Its versatility is unmatched in the personal water filter space, which is why it has become the go-to recommendation among thru hikers on the Appalachian Trail and Pacific Crest Trail, people who filter hundreds of gallons over months in the wilderness. Number 5. Tactical Survival Pen. A survival pen sounds like marketing nonsense until you actually use one in a real situation. The best tactical pens on Amazon are machined from aircraft-grade aluminum or titanium, which means they are virtually indestructible compared to a standard pen. But the writing tip is almost a secondary feature. The business end of a tactical pen has a hardened glass breaker tip made from tungsten carbide, one of the hardest materials materials on Earth. In a car accident where you cannot open a door and water is rising, this tip will shatter a car window with a single strike to the corner. That feature alone has saved documented lives. Many tactical pens also include a DNA collector for self-defense, a fire starter, a bottle opener, and can double as a kubotan, which is a pressure point tool used in martial arts. It fits in a shirt pocket, weighs almost nothing, and never gets confiscated at airports because it is legally just a pen. This is everyday carry done right. Number 4. Solar power bank. Your phone is one of the most powerful survival tools you own. It has maps, communication, a flashlight, emergency contacts, and the internet if you have signal. The moment it dies, you lose all of that. A solar power bank solves this problem indefinitely. The Anker solar charger and similar premium models on Amazon use SunPower solar arrays that achieve 21.5 to 23.5% efficiency, which is significantly higher than the budget solar panels. In direct sunlight, a quality 21-watt solar charger can push 2.4 amps per port, which is fast enough to charge a modern smartphone in a few hours. The industrial-strength PET polymer panels are sewn into a rugged polyester canvas that is weather-resistant and built for outdoor use. The panels fold flat for packing and have multiple attachment points for hooking to the outside of a backpack. You walk and charge simultaneously in a long-term power outage or remote adventure. This is how you stay connected and keep your navigation alive indefinitely. Number 3. Emergency Bivvy bag. A Bivvy bag is essentially an emergency sleeping bag made from the same reflective material as a Mylar blanket, but in the shape of a sleeping bag big enough to crawl into. The Soul Emergency Bivvy and similar products on Amazon are rated to reflect 90% of your body heat back towards you, which means they can keep you alive in temperatures you have no business surviving without a sleeping bag. Here is what makes them different from just using a Mylar blanket. A Mylar blanket is notoriously difficult to stay wrapped in, especially when you are cold, tired, and possibly injured. A Bivvy bag you just climb into and zip up. Done. The better versions are made from a breathable version of the material that reduces the condensation problem that plagues standard Mylar products. They weigh about 3.8 ounces, packed to the size of a fist, and cost around $20. For a solo hiker who gets caught out after dark in bad weather, this bag can be the difference between a very uncomfortable night and a fatal case of hypothermia. Number 2. Ferrocerium fire starter lighters run out of fuel. Matches get wet. A ferrocerium rod does neither of those things. Ferrocerium is a metallic alloy that, when scraped with a hard edge, throws sparks at temperatures between 3,000 and 5,500 degrees Fahrenheit. For context, wood ignites at around 450 to 500 degrees. Those sparks will start a fire in rain, wind, cold, at high altitude, basically in any conditions where you would otherwise be completely unable to get a flame going. The Wolf and Grizzly fire starter and similar quality ferro rods on Amazon are made from durable steel with a 4.9-inch striking surface, which is significantly larger than the tiny rods on cheaper survival bracelets. A good ferro rod will last for thousands of strikes, which realistically means it will never wear out in your lifetime. Pairing it with a dedicated scraper and knowing what materials to use as tinder is a skill that takes about 15 minutes to learn and might one day save your life. Every serious survivalist carries one. Every casual hiker should too. Number 1. First aid kit with smart compartments. We saved this one for last because people always underestimate it. A good first aid kit is not a basic red bag with some band-aids and a piece of paper telling you to call 911. The Surviveware Comprehensive Premium Survival First Aid Kit and similar top-tier kits on Amazon come with labeled, color-coded compartments, military-grade medical supplies, and a design built for actually finding what you need under pressure when your hands are shaking. The best kits include a tourniquet, Israeli bandages for wound packing, quick clot gauze for serious bleeding, thermal first aid blanket, blister treatment, splint material, CPR face shield, trauma shears, and detailed instruction cards for treating everything from a sprained ankle to a severe laceration. More importantly, they are waterproof, rugged, and sized to fit in a day pack without taking up all the room. The difference between a real trauma kit and the drugstore version is that a real kit assumes help might not arrive for hours. That mindset is what survival preparedness is actually about.